तो आज आम क्लास 12 सेकेंड यूनिट स्टार्ट करवा जोटा कि जेनेटिक्स एंड इवोल्यूशन। तो सेकेंड यूनिट रो जोटा फर्स्ट चैप्टर अच्छी प्रिंसिपल ऑफ इनहेरिटेंस एंड वेरिएशन सेटा आज आम स्टार्ट करवा। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ प्रिंसिपल ऑफ इनहेरिटेंस एंड वेरिएशन। So dear students, so प्रथम कथा हला the first thing, what is genetics? Genetics रो माने कौन? Genetics means to create or to make. For the first time, the word genetics, it was introduced by William Watson in 1906. So William Watson first time the word genetics को इंट्रोड्यूस करथिले, बट ग्रेगर जोहान मेंडल इज रिगार्डेड एज फादर ऑफ जेनेटिक्स। ओके, so what exactly genetics means? So genetics is a branch of biology that deals with study about heredity and variation. So genetics deals with what? Heredity and variation. So first of all, what do you mean by the word heredity? Heredity माने हला वंशानुक्रम बा वंशगति। गोटे परिवार जते बेले गोटे बेबीटा जन्म हुए तो लोक माने कहंती कि छुआटी ता बापा भलिया देखा होउची बा छुआटी ता माँ भलिया देखा जाउची बा छुआटी ता जेजे सहित देखा जाउची। ता माने हला पिलाटीर जो गुण बा कैरेक्टर सेटा कोउठु आसिला, सेटा तार पीढ़ी आसिला, तार बापा पाखरु आसिला, तार माँ पाखरु आसिला। सो ये जो कैरेक्टर ट्रांसफर हुए फ्रॉम वन जनरेशन टू द नेक्स्ट जनरेशन ताकू आम कहिबा हेरिडिटी बा वंशगति बा वंशानुक्रम। सो नोट दैट पॉइंट प्लीज। सो हेरिडिटी माने कौन है? ट्रांसमिशन ऑफ कैरेक्टर फ्रॉम वन जनरेशन टू द नेक्स्ट जनरेशन। सो मनीषर जो गुण अच्छी अन्य प्राणी मानकर जो गुण अच्छी सेटा गोटे पीढ़ी रु आउ गोटे पीढ़ी को ट्रांसफर हुए से प्रोसेसटा को आम कहूँ हेरिडिटी बा वंशगति बा वंशानुक्रम बोली कहीपर से कौन हो जो छुआ मैंने जन्म होती दे लुक्स लाइक देयर पेरेंट्स फॉर एग्जांपल द एलिफेंट बेबी लुक्स लाइक मदर एलिफेंट and Abhishek Bachchan looks like Amitabh Bachchan, the big B, and you can look Aradhya Bachchan that looks her mother Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. So इटा कौन हुए गोटे पीढ़ी रु आउ गोटे पीढ़ी को गुण ट्रांसफर है से कौन हो छुआ मैंने गुण तांकर बापा माँ पाखर ग्रहण कले से प्रक्रियाटा को आम हेरिडिटी कहूचे दैट इज व्हाई ऑफस्प्रिंग्स रिजेम्बल देयर पेरेंट्स. Now the next part is what is variation. Variation माने कौन विभिन्नता. When characters are transferred from parents to progeny, these progenies are not 100% similar to their parents. से progeny रे कौन होची किछि variation आसुची. Progenies are different from parents and also the members of the progeny are different from each other. मनेकर गोटे परिवार रे बापा माँ चारटी पिला अछंती से पिला माने परस्पर ठार अलग देखा जाउछंती पिला माने बापा माँ सहित भी 100% मैच करूना दैट डिग्री ऑफ डिफरेंस इज कॉल्ड एज वेरिएशन. सो वेरिएशन मीन्स व्हाट द डिग्री ऑफ डिफरेंस और ताकू डिसिमिलारिटी भी कही पारिबा बिटवीन प्रोजेनी एंड पेरेंट्स और विदिन प्रोजेनी. This part is clear to everybody? Okay. So now the heredity and variation all together this is called as genetics. The similarity and the difference or dissimilarity that will make the special branch of biology which is called as genetics. So next part is inheritance. Inheritance माने कौन? The word inherit means to receive. So offsprings receive their characters from their parents. Or you can say offsprings will receive their characters from their parents. So inheritance means what? To receive. So the process of or mechanism of transmission of character from parents to progeny. So the process or the mechanism of transmission of character from parents to progeny, that is called as inheritance. For example, I inherit the character of my father and you inherit the character from your parents. So that is what called as inheritance or to receive the character. तुम्हें तुम पूर्वपुरुष मान पाखु जो गुणटा रिसीव करुच ताकू कह जाए इनहेरिटेंस बा वंशगत गुण. So dear students, so today we will be discussing some important terms about genetics. So chapter आरंभ करिया पूर्वरु किछि टर्म सहित आमे फेमिलियर हे जिबा सो दैट आगो को जते बेले चैप्टर टा बढ़िबो हमकु अंडरस्टैंड करिया पई इजी हेबो. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट इज अबाउट कैरेक्टर. कैरेक्टर ट्रांसमिट होउची कोन होउची बट कैरेक्टर कोन व्हाट इज कैरेक्टर. Character means the heritable features that you have received from your parents. So it is a heritable features or the external appearance जोटा कि आमे पूर्व पुरुष मान पाखु ग्रहण करि थाउ that is called as character. So you can note that point. Heritable feature received from parents. For example, flower color. For example, height. Your height is equal to the height of your father. That means this character you have received from your father. And your eye color, that looks similar to the eye of your mother. That means you have received that character from your mother. So this is what called as character or heritable features. Now the variant characters are called as traits. For example, character is flower color. Variant कौन आछे बतार फ्लावर कलर पिंक ही पारे व्हाइट ही पारे बा रेड ही पारे. These various forms of the flower color are called as trait. So I would example naba eye color is a character. Eye color कौन है परिबो. It may be black, it may be blue or it may be brown. These are called as traits. Are you getting me? So character is a heritable feature. The various characters or variants in the character is called as trait. I think it is clear to everybody. Thank you. तबे आ गोटे नुआ जिनस शिखा कैरेक्टर इज कंट्रोल बाय व्हाट. जो कैरेक्टरटा आसूची आई कलर हो बा स्किन कलर हो योर हेयर स्टाइल. सो दिस कैरेक्टर्स आर कंट्रोल्ड बाय व्हाट. सो दिस इज योर जीन. सो व्हाट इज एक्चुअली a gene is. So let's start with gene. So what is gene? Gene is the physical basis of heredity. So it is the unit character. It controls your body character. So where genes are present? Gene code thibo. Genes are present inside the chromosome. Where chromosomes are present? Chromosomes are located inside the nucleus of a cell. So let's note that point. Genes are present in chromosome. जहाँ को आम गुणसूत्र बोली कहूँ क्रोमोजोम्स बा गुणसूत्र जहाँ भितर जीन थाए जीन रो काम कौन है इट विल कंट्रोल द कैरेक्टर से गोटे कैरेक्टर को कंट्रोल करिवो दैट इज जीन एंड वेयर इट इज प्रेजेंट दीज आर प्रेजेंट इनसाइड द क्रोमोजोम सो जीन्स आर केमिकली मेड अप ऑफ डीएनए सो इट इज ए सेगमेंट ऑफ डीएनए okay, so it is a part of DNA or it is a segment of DNA or it is a definite sequence of nucleotides. तुम समस्त जानी थी वो DNA is a polymer of nucleotides and a small segment of DNA or a small nucleotide sequence that controls one particular character is called as a gene. Is it clear? Sure. It is a DNA segment or you can say it is a definite sequence of nucleotides. Sure. DNA is a definite sequence of nucleotides. What is the function of a gene? It controls particular character. So this part is clear to everybody. Fine. So now the position of a gene in a chromosome. This particular position that is called as locus. In plural form it is called as loci. So locus means what? Locus means the position of a gene in a chromosome. That is called as loci. तुम देखुच गोटे क्रोमोजोम अच्छी जो दुटा लोकस अच्छी फर्स्ट लोकस which contains gene 1. Gene is nothing but a segment of DNA. That DNA sequence or that gene at the first locus that is responsible for your eye color and your eye color becomes blue. Now come to the second gene. Second gene is present in the locus 2 in the chromosome. That DNA piece or the DNA segment is responsible for what? Controlling your hairstyle. And you see the beautiful lady is having straight and shiny silky hair. Sure. Now you clear that chromosomes are present inside a nucleus of a cell and chromosome is made up of a DNA and the DNA segment is a gene which controls a particular character. This part is clear? Okay. Now the next word, the next term which is called as your allele. So what do you mean by the word allele? Let's discuss. Allele mane kono? Allele is the abbreviation of a word which is allelomorph. Allelomorph means it is a Greek word, and allo means other, morph means form. So allomorph means what? Other form of the same gene. So in short, alleles are the alternate forms of same gene. That means what? Genes exist in more than one form. Gene कौन है more than one form रे exist करूँ and these alternate forms of the same gene is called as allele. बुझी हवा गोटे जीनटा कौन करुच्ची मोर देन वन फॉर्म रे से एक्जिस्ट करुच्ची एंड इज फॉर्म ऑफ द सेम जीन दैट इज व्हाट कॉल्ड एज allele. ओके, दैट मीन्स जीन एक्जिस्ट मोर देन वन फॉर्म. This part is clear. Now the next concept is where these alleles are present. Allele रो locus टा कोटी, location कोटी, chromosome रो को जगह रहता है सेटा टिका में clear होगा. So वर्तमान आमे गुटे homologous pair of chromosome को देखिवा. So chromosomes in our body cells occurs in pairs. Why chromosome occurs in pairs? Why? Because human being कौन होची? Human being reproduces sexually, and you all know the sexual reproduction involves two parents, one male parent, one female parents. So it is called as what? Biparental. Okay, so human the sexual reproduction in human being which is biparental, one male parent, one female parents. So when a baby is born, when a zygote is formed, zygote is what? Zygote is the fusion of sperm and the ovum. Sperm is the male gamete coming from your father, and ovum is the female gamete coming from your mother. They join, they fuse, and that process of fusion is called as fertilization, by samayana prakriya, and zygote is formed. So in the zygote formation, what happens? Both sperm and ovum contribute the genetic materials, that is DNA or chromosomes. That means you receive 23 chromosomes from your father through sperm, and you receive 23 chromosomes from your mother through the egg. And in the zygote, these chromosomes gets pair up, and these pairs are called as homologous pairs. Sure. This is what a homologous pair of chromosome. Okay, this is a homologous pair. तो ये कितना पेयर थी वो? We are having, human beings have 23 pairs. That means one set containing 23 chromosomes. Suppose I am having 23 pairs of chromosomes, and I received 23 chromosomes from my father's side, and that 23 set is called as paternal set of chromosomes, and I have received 23 chromosomes from my mother, that is called as maternal set. So now what happens? सेमती केटा पेयर आम पाइबा 23 पेयर्स ऑफ क्रोमोसोम एंड ईच पेयर इज कॉल्ड एज होमोलोगस पेयर. सो कोटा को हम होमोलोगस पेयर कहबा. होमोलोगस पेयर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम्स दे हैव 3 क्राइटेरियाज. प्रथम कथा हला दिस chromosomes must have similar size. Similar size, then centromere position similar, and they must have similar gene sequence. So this is my homologous pair of chromosome. You see, so ये chromosome रो जो size अच्छी, this chromosome is also having nearly equal size, similar size, and centromere positions. You see, centromere position is also similar. Now the gene sequence must be similar, then you can say it is homologous chromosomes. तामाने कौन? So ये chromosome रे जो gene locus थिबे, second homologous pair it also contains similar gene sequence. For example, एटी गुटे locus टा अछि, और एटी गुटे gene अछि that controls height. At the similar locus, एटी जो gene टा थिबो that also controls the height. मना कर ये गोटे लुकोस अच्छी R gene is present and the R gene is responsible for the red color of the flower. Similar locus एठी जो gene टा रहइबो that is also responsible for flower color. Okay, so gene sequence remains same in both chromosomes, similar size of both chromosomes and similar centromere position, then you can say it is homologous pair. आउ कौन है homologous pair रे जो दुईटा chromosome रहइबो they must come from different parents. For example, this chromosome is coming from father, this is paternal chromosome, and this chromosome is coming from mother, this is your maternal chromosome. तो याको हम टिके डायग्रामेटिकली रिप्रेजेंट करिवा for clear understanding. मन कर एटा तुम पैटर्नल chromosome, that means you have received this chromosome from your father, paternal. Okay, ये chromosome टा कौन है थी वो maternal chromosome. This chromosome is coming from your mother, this is maternal, and this paternal and maternal they will make the homologous pair. This is homologous pair. Okay, homologous pair कौन है थी वो गोटे paternal chromosome और गोटे maternal chromosome with similar gene sequence, that is what called as homologous pair. Okay, so ये आम देखा तो आलिल रो पोजिशन आम जापर कौटी अच्छे. सो आलिल्स आर प्रेजेंट ऑन होमोलोगस क्रोमोसोम्स, नॉट इन द सेम क्रोमोसोम. इट इज इम्पोर्टेंट, नोट इट डाउन. Alleles are not present in the same chromosome. Alleles are present on homologous pair of chromosome, but at similar locus. I think this part is clear to everybody. So this is capital T. Its allele is present on the other chromosome, that is small t. So now it is clear the position of alleles. Thank you. So अब हमें देखिबा what is behavior of allele. Allelic behavior कौन अछि? Okay, alleles are what? It is a form of gene. That means it has the coded information for a particular character. So the DNA contains all the informations of your body, and these informations are stored in which form? In coded form. So DNA codes the informations. Okay. So now What is the behavior of allele? Okay, with respect to allelic behavior, the alleles may be dominant or the alleles may be recessive. ता माने कौन? Dominant allele माने कौन? Dominant allele is that allele who suppress the character of the recessive allele, and the dominant allele will always express its character. डोमिनाट आलेल रो जो इनफॉरमेशनटा कोड होकर अच्छी सेटा सब बेले एक्सप्रेस होथबो इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ द रिसेसिव आलेल और इन एब्सेंस ऑफ द रिसेसिव आलेल द डोमिनाट आलेल विल ऑलवेज एक्सप्रेस. ओके, सो एक्सप्रेस ऑलवेज. रिसेसिव आलेल्स रे कोन हेथिबो? Express in absence of dominant allele. So recessive allele केतेबेले express करिवो when dominant allele is absent. Is it clear? For example, teachers and students. Okay, so when teacher is present inside the classroom, student becomes silent. ता माने कौन? Teacher is the dominant factor. In presence of the dominating teacher, student becomes recessive. They will not express their real, hidden, original character. But when teacher is absent, then the recessive student will becomes violent. They will express their real character. तुम समझते जाने चाहिए. You all know better than me. When teacher is away from the class, when teacher will come out from the class, what you are doing? कौन तुम माने सब क्लास रे करो? That is what your characters are expressing. So recessive character will express. The recessive allele will express only when the dominant factor or the dominant allele is absent. बुझिए? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, कैपिटल T that is responsible for what? Tall. And recessive allele is represented by small t. It is responsible for short. Remember, the genes or the alleles are denoted by the alphabets. As per Mendel, the dominant alleles are represented by capital alphabet and the recessive alleles are represented by small alphabet or in small letter it is written. Is it clear? It is the traditional notation or the conventional methods. Okay. So, dominant alleles and recessive alleles are clear. So, one more point you can note down here. A dominant allele will express in this condition, in this condition also. So, in the homozygous condition, in the heterozygote condition, in any condition. That means, in presence of recessive factor, in absence of the recessive factor or allele, the dominant allele will always express. So, the dominant character कौन है? Tall. So, this is also tall and this is also tall. Recessive factor will express alone. Recessive characters are expressed alone. That means when the dominant characters are not there, dominant factors are absent. Isn't it? So, this is in the homozygous condition. It is homozygous recessive. Both factors are recessive, homozygous recessive. So, now it is short. I think this part is clear to everyone. Okay. So, dear students, आज हमें कौन कौन पढ़िलु? आज हमें पढ़िलु what is genetics, and some important terms regarding the genetics. That is your gene, that is the factor or alleles, that is dominant factor, recessive factors. These are some important technical terms that is used in the genetics. In the next episode, we will be discussing some other terms regarding genetics. Okay, so stay tuned, enjoy the video classes. Thank you so much.